there, this is Mrs. Hall. I'm on page 442. This is practice 11.1, numbers 1 through 3. This is just a small step further than yesterday. Yesterday we did just basic one-step equations. The only difference is here you will have to simplify what you can first and then do a one-step equation. So, number 1 we have, and I set up numbers 1, 2, and 3 ready to go. Number 1 we have x minus 3 equals 6 minus 1. Well, first and foremost, there's no variables on this side. We have just 6 minus 1, and what is 6 minus 1? It's 5. So I can now say that x minus 3 is equal to 5. We can simplify these two because there's no variable with it. They're like terms, they're both just constants. So 6 minus 1, we can say is 5. So now we want to solve for our variable x. And currently we are subtracting 3, and the opposite of subtracting 3 is adding 3. So we can add 3 to both sides. Our 3's on the left-hand side cancel, which gives me an x equals, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So I can safely say that x equals 8. Number 2, I have a plus 1 equals negative 10 plus 15. Again, these are both just constants. They're like terms. They're both on the right side of the equal sign, so I can combine them. Negative 10 plus 15 is 5, and I'm going to keep my a plus 1. Our variable is a. Currently, we are adding 1, and the opposite of adding 1 is subtracting 1. Our 1's will cancel because 1 minus 1 is 0, which gives me a equals, and 5 minus 1 is 4. A is by itself. We are done. And then for number 3, same thing again. These are constants. We can simplify those two. So I'm going to keep my s minus 9 equals, and negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. And now we're going to solve for our variable, which is s in this case. We're currently subtracting 9, and the opposite of subtracting 9 is adding 9. Our negative 9 plus 9 equals 0. They should cancel. Now you have s equals negative 15 plus 9 be negative 6. We have s by itself. Our problem is complete. Alright, so you guys are to finish numbers 4 through 24. Follow the same steps. Combine the numbers and the constants that are on the same side of the equal sign